Hey guys, so I recently turned my Facebook business page I added a shop to it. So if you scroll down here, you can see all the products that I have available. You can click on see all and you can see everything that's on my e-commerce website, and you can shop through, and I put it in all different categories. Which is totally up to you how you want to pair them, but mine is skincare and makeup. So I have skincare in one, makeup, tools, collections, cleansers, masks, boosters, anti-aging products, that is, moisturizers, body, complexion, eyes, lips, palettes, bestsellers, holiday, and then all the products. I think up here I have my Jamie's faves. So those are all my favorite products. So I am going to show you how to set this shop up on your Facebook business page. And then once you have it all set up on Facebook, if you have a Instagram account, a business Instagram account connected to your business Facebook page, you want to make sure that those two are connected so that they're synced together. And then you will be able to tag products when you post them on Instagram as well, so that people can shop directly from your Instagram post. But you have to have your Facebook page shop set up first, and then it will just automatically, after a few days, verify you, and then you'll be able to post that on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to get started on Facebook first. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have your template on your page set to a shopping template. So how you know if you have it set up to shop, you'll have on the left-hand side this shop button over here. And then you can create a shop now button over here if you like. But in order to make sure, if you don't have this shop button here, what you want to do is go click up top, settings. And then you want to go to the left-hand side, templates and tabs. And then right here, you can see that my current template is shopping. So there's all these different templates: business, venues, nonprofit, etc. So make sure that you have it set up to shopping. And then go back to your page. And then go over to shop. So you want to make sure that you have your e-commerce site open. So I do have mine open over here in another tab up top, and then my Facebook page. So you want to start adding products. So first of all, just add a product. So you won't have any of these categories because you haven't made any yet. So you'll just go to here where it says all products, add a product. And then go over to your website. And I just started at the beginning here. So I went skincare, then I went into cleansers. Okay, so then go down and you will click on the first one. And so then I just copy here. Copy Dream Clean. Then you want to save image as. Paste the Dream Clean, and I think I already have this saved from when I built it, so I'll just save it as Dream Clean 1. Okay, and then you want to go over back to your Facebook shop, add a photo, select files. Okay, Dream Clean 1, open that, and then use this photo. Then you want to copy and paste Dream Clean to the name, go back. And for the description, I take and copy all this. Put that in the description. I just go up and delete this little bit here for mine specifically. And then the price. So 34, and then you want to copy the link. So copy, and it's $34. And then down here, you want to paste the link. And that's what's going to make them able to shop from your Facebook page to your site. So when they click the image, it's going to take them to your site, but they can see and shop and grab whatever they want right from your Facebook page. And then I just made mine all public, but you can go unpublished and then set up your whole store if you want, and then go back and publish everything if you want. But instead, I just skipped that step and just clicked save. And since I already saved this, I'm not going to save it again. So you'll have that in your all products here. So if you wanted to go and finish just doing skincare, once you have to have at least one product in your shop, then I would go and create a collection. So add a collection. So pretend we have nothing else in my shop. We just have that one Dream Clean. So then we would go add a collection, name your collection. Say you want to name it cleansers. So then we would add a product to this, and the only product we have in here is Dream Clean. So we would click this, and that would add Dream Clean to that specific collection of cleansers, and it automatically puts it in the all products category. So this way you don't have to go back and click all the products and put them into separate categories. It will just build it as you go, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're going to cancel this already because I already have all of that in place. So then here are all of my collection tabs as well. So I can go and edit and add if I want to later on. So recently there was just a holiday collection that launched. So I just made this one, and then when all those products are gone, I can just go and delete them in my shop. And then once this was done, like I said, you just go over to your Instagram business account, make sure that your Facebook page and your Instagram are synced together, and then just wait a couple days and it'll automatically say that your shop is set up and now you are available for product tagging, and you'll be able to tag in Instagram. So I hope that helped you guys. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.